Hey everybody, it's your boy, the Solo Star, at it again. I know it's been a while. The last video I probably did was the whole Beyonce World Tour DVD, and if you haven't seen it, it's that way on your screen to go to it. Oh yeah, I know I need to shave, which I haven't did in about 2 weeks. But anyway, the premise of this video is because I went to the beauty supply store, aka Ching Chong store, and I wanted to get some new products for my hair besides using the whole Creme of Nature line like I usually use. I want to do something else outside of that. And so today I bought text message from Diamond. Deuces, Diamond. I bought the Shampoo for Damaged Hair by ApHogee, which is one of the products I'm going to use. I was going to use it today, but after watching a video by Atia, I decided I need to buy 2 more products before I actually do my hair. And I also bought the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor, which I'm going to use after the shampoo. This video is going to be broken down in probably about 2 or 3 different video settings, being that I'm going to have to show the next video about the other products I did use in case you guys ask me. You can be able to see it. Like I do in all my videos, I actually show you the product and the names. There we go. So that's going to be the second part of this video. And the third part will probably be, I don't even know. And the last part would be showing the results of how my hair looks. And me giving a testimonial of how it feels and all that good garbage. And as you can see, this side of my hair always breaks. That's another reason I want to try this whole ApHogee thing. So yeah, my hair kind of broke on this side a bit, which is kind of really bad considering that my hair is this long. And then you see some breakage, so let me see if I can show y'all. Oh, perfect. See? So, I'm gonna do a video. Ooh, that looks funny. Do a video showing you all no tracks, people, none whatsoever. I keep getting people, is this your real hair? Of course it's my real hair. I'm about to part it so y'all can see it. Hold on. Let me get my comb. Okay. Okay. Part number 1. Part number 2. I can't do a straight part on the side of my head for nothing. Ugh. There we go. Anyways, y'all get the point. Fix this part. I'll forget it. I'll part it later. Okay. Back to looking cute again. So, I'm gonna leave y'all, guess with the song. These are my girls. Rich Girl. Follow them on Twitter. and follow your boy on Twitter. And I guess we'll get to part 2 and 3 and 4 following this. Alright? Checking up the deuces. Peace. Hey, what's up? It's your boy B Solo Star. Again, this will be the second segment for the video of the ApHogee hair treatment. The ProVitamin leave-in conditioner by ApHogee, and I also bought the Keratin green tea reconstructor. Also watching email watching Atia's video. She says she used a Care forming wrap lotion, and I'm gonna remix it. I'm gonna use Creme of Nature's Argan oil, and I'm not gonna do the chi just yet because I'm not gonna spend $40 on a 12-ounce bottle. Sorry, not happening. So I'm trying to get some different quotes, good prices for that before I actually buy it and use it. So this is the second segment for the clip of this whole video. I know I said in the first clip it's gonna be like 4 videos, so actually gonna be like one big video with just 4 different or 3 different, every step is gonna be. But until then, I'm about to get started. My hair's in a bun right now, this huge bun, and I have 3 hours because I have rehearsal tonight. So I might wear it wavy after all this is done. So, deuces. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy, the Solo Star, at it again. Right now, I just got done doing my hair. This is after using the ApHogee, and I just want to show you guys how my hair turned out. Looks alright. So, my eye. Oh no, nothing fell. I just want to show you guys my hair. So yeah. So hair came out looking nice. Feels great. I'm gonna use ApHogee probably from this date. Probably use it probably in 2 months because it's not good to put too much protein in your head, then your hair will start to break. In case you didn't know that, please y'all, if you do buy ApHogee, please do not use it every time. Please don't. Because when you put in that much protein in your hair will actually break off. And then it's probably pointless why to use it. So if you do use it, I recommend probably once every 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6 months. But do not shampoo your hair with ApHogee shampoos every time you shampoo your hair. Like if you shampoo your hair 3 times a month, do not use it 3 times a month. So I just want to say that. So yeah, just want to show you all my hair. That's all.